Almond crescent cookies in pine nuts. Add 1 egg white into a glass jar. Keep the egg yolk for later use. Whisk the egg whites and then add 1 tablespoon of orange blossom. If orange blossom is not available, you can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add half a cup of sugar, preferably natural organic sugar. Add 1 cup of almond powder. Here I crushed my own almonds with their skin because it's nutritious. Add 3 tablespoons of flour. Here I used whole wheat flour. And mix. The dough is gonna be sticky, but that's fine. If needed, you can add more flour. We need for glazing 1 egg yolk that we put on the side. Add a dash of salt and mix it well until it becomes liquidy. Shape the dough into small balls. Dip the tablespoon in water to prevent it from sticking. And then with a tablespoon, cut it in half. Fix the shape of the crescent by laying the back of the tablespoon on the side of the dough. Place 3/4 cups of pine nuts into a plate. Take each crescent and dip it in the egg yolk, and then roll it with pine nuts. Make sure that you're covering the whole dough with pine nuts, and reshape it if needed. Place the cookie in an oven pan lined with butter paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, take them out of the oven, let them cool down, and serve.